That's it, Brian?
Yes.
So hey guys, I have another video, and this one I'm reviewing in Twitter, and let's let's read some let's read some tweets from the MCP developers. Just read if you want. I don't want to read it because I'm slow at reading, and yeah, I can't read well. Can scroll this slowly, and yeah, you can pause it if you like. Now let's see Thomas Uchichi tweets. Okay, let's see here. I think they released the last update for 1.1. That what that's and they said that parrots are coming to MCP in Mega PC in 1.12 per MCPC, and MCPE is 1.1. I don't really know because some YouTubers said that common blocks are gonna release in 1.1, but it's released now in 1.0.5. And then let's see Maria Limon, that she said that she posted a video of parrots, and well, I will show you what I'm talking about. As you can see here, parrots are now going to add those parrots. I don't know if they can talk or something, because as you know, parrots can talk in real life. They copy you, but I hate parrots because they copy you. I don't like to get copied, like in a test or something. Just read this tweet right here, and then hello, hey, and bye. See you guys in the next video. And that is all I wanted to show you guys today, and yeah, I'm gonna if you want me to review the 1.1s, comment down below if you want, and subscribe to my channel if you want to. But if you don't want to, then don't. If you hate Minecraft, don't subscribe. I mean, if you hate MCP, don't subscribe to my channel because this is MCP. This is a MCP YouTube channel, and I can play some games like Super Mario or something like that. I can vlog or something, and yeah, bye guys.